Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Daily Math. We will be working on a geometry problem today. Let's take a look at the question. The area of square ABCD is 64 centimeters square. Point E is the midpoint of arc BEC. Point F is the midpoint of arc DFC. Find the area of the shaded region. Please pause the video to try the problem yourself, and then come back to compare your answer with mine. We can actually separate the shaded region into three different areas. First, we have triangle AEF. We also have segment EC and segment CF. If you notice that segment EC is actually the same as segment CF, the shaded region can actually be represented by triangle AEF plus 2 times the segment EC. Let's start by calculating the area of AEF. We know that the area of square ABCD is 64 centimeters square. This tells us that AB equals AD equals 8 centimeters. This also tells us that AC is square root times AB, which is 8 root 2 centimeters. AC represents the height of the triangle AEF, and it is 8 root 2 centimeters. Now let's try to figure out the length of the base, which is EF. Notice that CM equals CN equals 4 centimeters. EC is root 2 times CM, which is 4 root 2. That is also the length of CF. EF is the sum of EC plus CF, so the length of EF is 8 root 2 centimeters. The area of the triangle AEF is a half base times height, which is a half EF times AC. That will be a half times 8 root 2 times 8 root 2, and that will give us 64 centimeters square. Now that we figure out the area of triangle AEF, let's try to figure out the segment EC. Segment EC is the same as sector EMC minus triangle EMC. Let's calculate sector EMC first. That will be the radius squared times pi times 1/4 circle. So it's 4 times 4 times pi times 1/4. That will give us 4 pi. Next, let's calculate triangle EMC. That will be base times height times a half. So 4 times 4 times a half is 8. Now that we have both the area of sector EMC and triangle EMC, we can go ahead and calculate the area of segment EC. That will be sector EMC minus triangle EMC, which is 4 pi minus 8. Let's figure out the final answer. The shaded region equals triangle AEF plus 2 times segment EC. That will be 64 plus 2 times 4 pi minus 8, which is 64 plus 8 pi minus 16. And the final answer is 48 plus 8 pi. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy my video, please like, comment below, and subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow.